welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is really a delight and it's something which is very simple to make. So it's a super simple recipe like I said, and the end result is simply delicious. So let's just dive straight into today's recipe. So let's see today's recipe of prawn rice. Now here I'm just going to be nicely frying one medium-sized onion which I've thinly sliced till it becomes nice and crispy like this. This is going to be used for garnishing. Here I've just washed 1 cup of rice and I've soaked it for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to boil this rice, and this is a paste made of 4 green chilies, clove, some garlic and ginger. These are some whole spices. This is 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine. Now I've taken about 10 large prawns and I've just added some turmeric powder and some red chili powder and salt, and I'm just going to mix everything well together, and I'm just going to marinate it for about 10 minutes and keep it aside. Now I've also chopped up some fresh coriander for garnish. This is some turmeric powder, some garam masala, and also a boiled egg for garnishing. That is optional. Now here I've just heated some olive oil in a pan. Now here my rice is already ready, so I'm just going to drain off the excess water in this manner by turning it upside down over a sieve. Now I have heated some olive oil in a pan and I am going to fry these prawns till they are nice and golden brown in color. Now our prawns are almost done, and since I'm frying it in olive oil, I'm going to retain the oil because we're going to add it with the prawns to our dish. Now if you're using smaller prawns, you can use a larger quantity. I'm using these large prawns, that's why I'm using just about 10 to 11. Now our prawns are done. Our rice is also all ready. And now we're going to start making this lovely prawn rice. So I've heated 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Now I like to make all my pulaos, rice in ghee rather than oil. Now I'm going to be adding my whole spices. I've listed all my ingredients in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. Now I've put the green chili, garlic and ginger paste, and I'm going to fry it out well. You'll get the aroma of the ginger and the garlic, and we're going to fry it till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Now we're going to add our chopped up onion, and we're going to fry the onion till it becomes translucent. Now once the onion is nice and done, you'll see the color changing from a pink to a whitish color. That means your onion is nice and done. And you need to fry your onion well for all, pulaos and rice. And now I'm going to add this haldi powder or turmeric powder because I want that lovely, yellow color for my rice. Now once the haldi powder also is mixed in well and the rawness is gone away, we're going to add our prawns which I fried along with a little bit of the olive oil that is there. Now if you're using regular oil, I would suggest don't add that oil. Now I'm just going to add half the quantity of the chopped coriander. It just flavors the rice very well, and they're going to retain the other half for garnishing. Now we're going to mix everything well together. Now I'm just going to be adding a pinch of garam masala. This adds a lovely flavor to this rice. Now we've already added salt to the prawns. So now we're going to add the cooked rice and mix it in well. So what you can do is just taste a little bit of it once you've mixed everything well together. And if you feel that you need a little more salt, you can add salt because we've already added salt when we were marinating the prawns. So just check on that, otherwise your dish will turn up very salty. So before adding any extra salt, just taste the rice first. So we're going to mix everything well together. And once everything is mixed, then you can just turn off the flame and your rice is all ready. Now we don't need to cover and cook this because the rice is already cooked. You can make this dish with some leftover rice too. So now I've just transferred it to the bowl. I've added the lovely crispy onions that we fried, and I've also added this boiled egg for, to give it a more beautiful look. So for those of you who don't like boiled egg, you can just skip that. But otherwise, here your delicious prawn rice is all ready. It's so simple and so easy to make, right, friends? I mean, it didn't take much time for it to get ready. Of course, a big tip over here, don't forget to clean your prawns well. Don't forget to devein it, because if you don't devein prawns, then you'll land up with a tummy upset. So if you don't know how to devein prawns, consult somebody. There are many videos on YouTube. So you can check it out there, or I'll make a video on how to devein prawns. But ensure that you devein your prawns always. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.